Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to access blocked Telegram channel. So if you want to join lots of Telegram channels but they are blocked from your side, then you guys can do several steps. So I'm going to tell you one by one. You have to just simply follow me. So for that you have to just simply open up Telegram application. So after opening up that, now you guys can see I'm playing the Telegram in proxy mode because in my country there is no Telegram available, so I'm not able to play the Telegram on browser. So you have to just simply open up any of your browser and simply head over to telegram.com. So here I'm gonna just tell you by just letting you know telegram.org. So after coming to your browser, you have just simply search for telegram.org, and now it will not redirect because I have already told you that in my country Telegram is blocked. So I'm just opening from Telegram. You have to just simply follow this step on browser. I'm just opening up it on Telegram application, but you have to just simply follow this step on browser. So on your browser, you have to just simply make sure that you have logged in with your Telegram account. So after logging in with your Telegram account, you have to just simply open up the Telegram official website and click on the top left corner of three horizontal lines and open up the settings from the browser of Telegram. So after opening up your settings, now you have to just simply open up the privacy and settings. Make sure that you are using the Telegram on browser. So after that you have to just simply scroll down, and on the browser you will be able to see the sensitive content. That option will be blocked, so you have to just simply click on allow sensitive content. So after clicking on that, your all block channel will be accessed to you and you guys can join any of the channel if the channel is available. So if the channel is not available and the channel is deleted, then of course you guys cannot join the channel even in the Telegram application as well as Telegram browser. So I hope this methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.